Euro dollar long-term forecast for the week of January 30th, fxempire.com. The euro dollar pair had an explosive week over the last 5 sessions as the Federal Reserve has announced it's going to continue the ultra-low rate policy until the end of 2014. This in turn saw a massive sell-off of the dollar against most currencies, and of course the euro was included in that. The euro has also been helped by the talk of a possible Greek debt bailout coming. But we've seen that scenario before, we've seen that movie before, if you will, and we'll have to wait and see whether or not that comes true. 132-ish is definitely an area that the markets will have an interest in. But with the strength of the weekly candle, one has to really think that perhaps we're starting to see something significant happening. As a long-term trader, this does still look like a very bearish chart overall, but 132 is one of the areas that we want to see some type of bearish action, and quite frankly, we just haven't seen it. Longer term traders are probably going to have to start taking their cues off of daily charts. Just simply the markets are too volatile and there's too much back and forth and high frequency trading going on now in the euro dollar pair to really make hide nor hair of it on a weekly time frame, as the risk reward situation just isn't going to be there most of the time. So having said all of that, it does look like the pair is going to continue to be very volatile and very difficult to trade for any great length of time. In fact, most long-term traders probably will want to avoid it. That being said, 132 could be an area where we'd see some weakness come in, and perhaps we start a new consolidative phase. As you can see, 125 has a history of being supportive, and we do have a history in this general vicinity between 132 and 133 of it being resistive. So there is always the possibility that we do start to consolidate. But in the meantime, we're going to have to take our cues off of daily charts, and at this moment in time, there's just simply no reason to short. There's no real reason to go long either at this level because we are butting up against resistance.